During the COVID-19 pandemic, everyone at BNSF Railway remains committed to ensuring a safe experience for our commuters riding on the BNSF Metra line. As part of our efforts, we are working closely with Metra to follow enhanced cleaning protocols. Trains are cleaned daily between morning and afternoon parades at our 14th Street yard. This entails sanitizing all high-touch areas every day, including seats, seat handles, underneath and the sides of the seats, armrests, door handles, handrails, vestibule posts, and handholds. We sweep the floors, remove refuse, and clean and disinfect the toilets every day. In addition to our normal cleaning practices, BNSF has undertaken efforts to deep clean the more than 215 rail cars in our care. Deep cleaning each train set takes approximately 2.5 to 3 days. These efforts include electrostatic sanitizing and disinfecting. The intensive cleanings throughout each coach car includes steam cleaning all interior surfaces as well. Crews maintain daily maintenance and cleaning logs that document when all cars have been thoroughly cleaned. BNSF is implementing best practices and exploring new cleaning methods and technologies to respond to the evolving COVID-19 environment. Your safety and comfort is always our greatest priority.